Do you know what your abandoned cart rate is? Well, on average, 7 out of 10 customers will abandon a cart and never purchase again. Well, today I'm going to show you how to increase your abandoned cart recovery rate by at least 300%. If you're new around here, my name is Josh Deschelle, and I'm a fractional CMO that has helped dozens of brands generate millions of dollars in sales online. Every single Monday, I put a 5-minute video out that covers one of the 300 plus strategies that I utilize every single day to help brands just like yours. So the question is, are you willing to trade 5 minutes for millions of dollars in sales? Let's find out. So abandoned carts typically are handled with a generic email that's sent out automatically. So it's an automation set up in a lot of stores like Shopify, and all it does is send out a generic email that says you left something behind, and typically it'll include some type of discount or offer. The idea here is, instead of setting up an automation, we're going to do a highly tailored email, and we're going to do this by actually having someone individually reach out to every single customer that abandons the cart. Now, I know this is a lot more labor intensive, but to be honest, abandoned carts are one of the lowest hanging fruits for your business. So this is one of the easiest groups of customers to convert. So in my experience, even though this requires a good amount of time, it always pays itself back. So you always end up making more by having someone do this every single day. Now, the basic strategy here is every day at 9 a.m., 12 p.m., and 5 p.m. in your local time, you're going to have someone log in and go into the abandoned carts. Now, in Shopify, this is pretty easy to access. You just go to orders and then abandoned carts within your Shopify dashboard. And all you're going to do is go to every single customer that abandons a cart. You're going to click into their specific order, and you're going to look at what was in their cart, whether they used a coupon code, and then you're going to look at their order history. Now, this is the key part. So you want to look at exactly what type of customer they are. So are they a new customer that's never converted before? Or maybe they're an existing customer that has ordered from you dozens of times. Or potentially they're a customer that hasn't ordered from you in 30, 60, or 90 days. Now, all of these people you're going to end up treating differently based on their order history. And typically what I do for brands is I'll help them set up a quick sheet for their customer service rep where it says, okay, if the customer is a brand new customer, offer them this discount on these products. So you want to offer them the best offers that you possibly have. If they're a loyal customer and maybe they only order on discount, maybe you don't offer them a discount or a coupon code, but you actually just assist them along the way. You reach out and say, I noticed you had this in your cart. Is there a reason you didn't convert? Is there something we can assist you with? Or maybe it's a lapsed purchaser. So maybe they ordered from you 90 days ago, but they haven't ordered since. Again, reach out and provide that customer service and potentially provide a coupon code to try to get them to come back and buy again. But the whole idea here is to treat them as an individual and try to provide the best customer service possible, but also tailor your discounts and offers specifically to that person based on their order history. Now, based on experience with this highly personalized approach, it dramatically increases the quantity of users that actually convert. And the real key here is to make sure that when you send these emails out, it's actually coming from an individual. So rather than having orders at XYZ company or customer service at XYZ company, have it be Josh from XYZ company. Make sure it's a personal approach. Put an email signature in that specific email. Try to walk them through this full customer service experience and explain that you're different and you care about every single person that comes to your store, about every single person who buys from you, and walk their hand through the process. And that's it. That's the best way that I've seen to increase your abandoned cart recovery. Like I said, at least 300%. So if you're interested in strategies just like these, I produce these videos every single Monday. In 5 minutes or less, I provide you with one of the 300 plus strategies that I utilize with the brands that I work with. So if this is something you're interested in, I highly recommend that you subscribe to this channel so you don't miss next week's video. I'll see you then.